Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna DeMattio and I am a real estate agent with eXp Realty. I am currently serving the Daytona Beach area in Florida. So if you're looking to move or sell or buy, let me know and I can definitely help you out with that. Today I really wanted to make a video about the VA loan because I get a lot of common questions about that. So I'm going to answer a bunch of the questions that I get and then also walk you through the process. I think this is important. I know there are a lot of vets in the Daytona Beach area, moving to that area, relocating for school and other purposes. So I thought it'd be really valuable to make this video, and for everyone else out there, it's pretty generic. Some things change with each state, but let's get started. So first question, where does the money actually come from? So the money does not come from the VA. The VA just guarantees the loan. So you work with a lender just like any other buyer, and the VA basically backs that to make sure that you're going to pay it off through the life of the loan. You have no down payment, so that's great. That's one really great reason to use a VA loan. However, there are closing costs associated with, purchasing a house, but the whole down payment does not exist. And you can pay it off sooner if you want, so without any penalties. So no prepayment penalties are really nice. You can pay it off as you go throughout the rest of the loan as well. So next question, do you need a job? The answer is yes. So most lenders require 2 years of part-time income or a recently new job where you can verify your upcoming income. So that also goes into it. The GI Bill does not count as payment. However, obviously you can use that to pay off your mortgage every month. And any money received from disability does count as income that you can put towards your proof of payment, your proof of income. So you do need a job or you need enough disability to be able to cover that kind of mortgage interest with the lender. So next one is, what is the funding fee? So the funding fee is paid with your closing costs and then also monthly. So it kind of helps the VA simulate their whole system, but there's no down payment and there's no monthly mortgage insurance, which is really good, especially for people who might not have had a big enough down payment with a conventional or FHA loan. So do you need this to be your primary residence? The answer is yes, and it does depend where you are, how long that needs to be. Usually it's about 1 year, but you do need to certify that this is going to be your primary residence and not your secondary house or anything like that. But after a year, you are able to start renting it out to other people in the area. Can my spouse or dependents occupy the house while I'm not there? Yes, they can in most cases. Your spouse or dependents can qualify as that as their primary residence. If you can use this as your retirement occupancy, so the answer is typically yes. If you are going to be retiring soon, you can go ahead and purchase that house. And also there's delayed occupancy, so that you are going to fix it up or something like that, so you might not be living it right now, but that still will count most of the time as your primary residence while it's getting fixed up. So how long do you have to live in the house? We kind of talked about this. So for 12 months you have to live in the house, and then you can sell it. And whom can you sell it to? So you can sell it to anyone, actually. It does not have to be another vet at all. Okay, so let's go through the steps to actually getting the VA loan and also purchasing the house. So step number 1 is to go onto the eBenefits website, and I'll put the link for that in the comments area below, and then get your certificate of eligibility. So this just, clarifies that you are actually a veteran. So next you're gonna obtain your copy of discharge or separation papers, the DD-214, and keep that with you, sometimes for the lender and just for you to have. Okay, so you're gonna connect with the lender next. So you can ask for recommendation from your agent if you need to, but you're gonna connect with the lender because, like I said, the VA doesn't actually supply the money. And communicate with a couple different lenders. Just because they're providing you a VA loan doesn't mean all the interest rates are the same, so you're gonna wanna kind of shop around. You're also gonna need all the common stuff you need when you're communicating with a lender. So W-2s, payment stubs, bank statements, stuff like that. All right, so start house shopping. So you can connect with your agent, maybe it's me, and start house shopping. You know, you'll have a good idea of the ballpark price that you can have at that point because you'll be pre-approved, and start house shopping for also what the VA is going to require. So some houses, depending on what state you're in, need to be in a little bit better condition than others. The VA wants to make sure you're purchasing a house that's worth living in a sense. So you're gonna put an offer in next, and then after that, you'll order the VA appraisal as well as you'll order a home inspection. Okay, and then the VA loan will go through the underwriting process, and the VA loan will close, and you will officially close and have your first house. So that's great. Going forward, if you wanted to reuse your VA loan, that would be fine. You just have to sell the house and, you know, pay off the loan, and then you'll be qualified to use the VA loan again. So if you have any questions about the process, obviously feel free to message me, but the VA Regional Loan Center, I'll put the phone number for them down in the comments as well, but they're very helpful. They can walk you through the process as well. And then if you look up VA approved lenders in your area, but also nationwide, they're very helpful with talking about the process if you have any other questions. I hope this clarified some things. It's an amazing opportunity that you guys have, so totally use it to your advantage, and don't forget that you can use it more than once in its lifetime. So I hope that clarified some questions, and if you have any more questions, obviously feel free to message me. Until then, I will talk to you later.